The author Mark Payne reminds us that the first step towards success is taken when you refuse to be a captive to the environment in which you find yourself. And I'm digging that too, because I think there's no doubt that many of us find ourselves in situations and circumstances that make it more difficult to succeed. And note I said our circumstances might make it difficult, not impossible, for us to succeed. I think it's just too easy sometimes. And quite frankly, you could argue it's a cop-out to blame others or the circumstances that you inherited for the lack of your success, right? The truth is, no circumstance, whether negative people or bad attitudes or stressful situation or whatever it is, can truly defeat you unless you allow it to. Right? You can break yourself free, and I don't mean to sound Pollyanna, but you do have the ability to surmount any challenge you may face. It's not your circumstances that make you, it's your decisions. So recognize that deep in your core is a strength that is far more powerful than any circumstance that you can ever encounter. So make that decision. Make that decision. You can decide to tap into the power and get the better of your circumstances every single time. Might take a while, but it is possible. This has been a Keep On Pushing moment. Make sure you leave a comment on this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and yes, make sure you share it with your friends as well. And until we connect next time, yeah man, keep on pushing.